Breathe from my nose?
No, breathe through your nose. I'm sorry.
My heart is beating very fast
Most people try to breathe through their mouth. And
Hey, grab her a glass of water, Kyle.
When if it's not going good, spit that shit out and we give you some water. You can rinse your mouth. Because I might try it just for that. Because I can just.
I'll spit my mouth right now. I'm saving this.
No.
That ain't gonna help. Don't do that.
Teddy, all you gotta do is leave it in your mouth for like about a minute and start rolling it around.
Is that regulation?
And your fucking spit will start catching it. When it starts clumping up, you'll be able to tell.
Give him a 360 view. That is regulation.
What I did was
just
split like half of it, swallow it in two mouthfuls.
I'm getting real nervous right now.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Get it.
She might make it.
Don't you let this other YouTube whore win.
My kids are gonna see this one day.
Yeah, they are.
Get it, Stephanie.
Dumbass.
You stuck on it. Sit there,
She gonna get it. Don't punk out quick, I'm telling you.
Oh, she's got it.
She got it.
Look, she's solid. Look at her. She's solid.
Teddy, don't try to swallow.
Y'all be quiet. Y'all be quiet.
Don't try to swallow it too quick.
Oh, the water.
There's no water.
Get the water. It's mine. Put the water back up.
Y'all just think that was an accident.
We had a cameraman accident. Oh, shit! Let him land. Let him land, Cody. Let him land. Let him land completely.
Dude, my bad.
Did you get the other bird?
No, where is the other bird?
Where is that bird, John?
I don't know. Finally. He's sleeping.
Get that one. Yeah.
Get a towel to put over Gordo. Stephanie, get me a towel, quick. Put him in the other cage. Stephanie's gonna bite you, and you're gonna drop him.
What do I do?
Oh, there's the other one. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Fuck. Cody. No, don't let him go where the dogs are. He's gonna. Don't want that bird from here.
Please, Mom.
Cody, throw this towel on, bro.